There's a certain plant in Southeast Asia that if you touch it, it's like poison ivy.
Check this out. One of the main goals today was to clear Highland Trail, but look at how squeaky clean this little bridge is. Thank you. Gracias, estudiantes. Another one of the main goals for Highland Trail today was to remove the old neon markers and put in some official trail markers. What do you think about that? I see one of the old original markers here, so that's what we're trying to do. Out with the old, in with the new and official Highland Trail marking system. Welcome to Highland Trail on the Arc Trail Complex, 7 miles west of Hernando, Mississippi, off Highway 304. Look how squeaky clean the Highland Trail is now. That is awesome. And I kept complaining because people weren't keeping up. Well, they were not keeping up because they were doing a good job. Excellent job, students. This little bend in the trail right here on Highland Trail was almost completely choked with poison ivy about 2 weeks ago. Look at it now. Looking much, much better. Right about in here on the Highland Trail is where several students went into beast mode, pulled a massive branch that had become entangled in what looks like possum grapes or something. Anyhow, look at the size of this thing. This thing was, I would say, what, 8 to 10 inches in diameter at the base. This took some man and woman power here. This was a wrestling match. Highland Trail, July 20th, 2019. Good job, though. Buen trabajo.